Are you a carrier and have numbers all around the world? You can source telephone numbers from multiple downstream providers and carriers. With Spearline, you can find out which carrier is the best to get your numbers from. Spearline has in-country servers and we can test your numbers right into your network. A WAV file will be played back and the audio gets recorded and examined by Spearline. We can then tell you the ranking of the route. Spearline allows you to see which routes are giving you the best level of service, which allows you to make improvements to your network and source your numbers from better downstream number providers, resulting in a better service. Also, your customers dialing through your network to end users inside other countries may have multiple routes to make that call over different carrier networks. Spearline will replicate that customer flow right through to a Spearline server, and we will test this for every different route. Ultimately, you can decide which route has the best quality. This, combined with your existing routing logic, allows you to make more intelligent business decisions which will result in a better customer experience. Contact Spearline today for a free trial or find out more on spearline.com.